Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the database type and install the correct driver or OD connector so Excel can talk to it. Once done, make sure you have server host, database name, port, and user credentials at hand because you will enter them immediately. In Excel, go to the Data tab and choose Get Data, then pick from Database or from OD depending on your driver. This starts the live connection process rather than exporting static files. Now you authenticate and pick what you need. You will enter credentials, Windows, database login, or OAuth, so Excel can access the source securely. Choose the right method for your environment. Next, use the navigator or enter a native SQL query to target tables, views, or a specific join. This reduces data volume and improves performance. Then preview results and apply transformations in Power Query. Filter rows, rename columns, and set data types before loading, because cleaner input prevents errors later. To finish, choose where to load: a worksheet table, pivot table, or the data model for complex analysis, and configure refresh options such as refresh on open or every n minutes so your workbook stays current. For automated server refreshes, use Power BI Gateway or a scheduled task. If something fails, first recheck credentials and network access, then verify firewall rules, driver version compatibility, and SQL user permissions. These 4 checks resolve most connection issues and keep your data pipeline reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.